Hey everybody, just popped in here to Fit Pharm Nutrition here in West Des Moines. Just doing a support local video. Got Mick Carper here in the back. He's gonna answer a few questions, just how they're continuing to operate in business and how they're having fun doing so. So let's hear from Mick.
Hey guys, Mick Carper here, owner of Fit Pharm Nutrition. For those of you that don't know, Fit Pharm Nutrition offers weekly meal plans and customized supplements. I got Ethan here with me, and Ethan asked me, how has this pandemic had an impact on our business? And then on top of that, what have we done to make changes to make our business viable and to accommodate our customers? So, number one, needless to say, the pandemic has obviously had an impact on our bottom line, and it's decreased the amount of customers and revenue that we've had, but we've been fortunate to be able to stay open, and we've made some changes to be able to accommodate our customers and to obviously offset some of the issues that we've had with the pandemic. Number one, we're offering free delivery, and it's going to be next day. So whether it's a weekly meal plan or a supplement order, we have the ability to deliver it locally within 15 miles of Fit Pharm Nutrition next day, and then if it's a supplement order, we're offering free shipping nationwide. So that's one of the major changes. Number two, as you can see, we introduced these nifty little things. So now we've got all of our guys wearing face masks. We obviously had already taken major precautions since we are making everybody's meals, but we've taken that up a notch because of the concerns that we've had with COVID-19. And one of the more exciting things that we're going to introduce here starting tomorrow through Friday is a big sale. So if you go to fitpharmnutrition.com or you give us a call at 515-225-6976, we're going to be offering a gift card for half the value of whatever you spend. So what I mean by that is, let's say that you get on the website, you order a meal plan on Friday. It's $100. You're going to get a $50 gift card mailed to you that you can use from May to whenever you decide to use it. So from now until Friday, we're going to be offering a kick butt sale online and over the phone. fitpharmnutrition.com, 515-225-6976. We really appreciate you supporting our local business. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay home. We will deliver.